channel. If you're watching me for the first time, then my name is Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. Today's video is a different kind of a video. I remember that while starting my YouTube career last year, I had done this sort of video of top 5 or 6 affordable perfumes under rupees 250, and that video has got so many views. I'm so happy that you guys loved it so much. So right now I'm yet again back with another affordable video collection. So in this video I'm gonna show you top 6 affordable lipsticks which are under 100 rupees only. So without any further ado, let's move on with today's video. So while you will know obviously like till now that I am a big fan of lipsticks and I love lipsticks. I love various colors. I like nudes, I like pink, I like red, I like mauve, I like so many. I love lipsticks. I literally do love lipsticks a lot, and I am more a fan of this sort of lipsticks other than matte lipsticks, because my lips are very dry and they tend to make my lips very flaky and very dry and everything. So I try to use this sort of lipsticks which are very moisturized, which are not matte lipsticks. I don't know, I have tried few and it does not suits my lips at all, but I do make it a point that I use a matte lipstick, and then again on top of that I use this creamy based lipsticks. Today I'm gonna share with you guys 6 lipstick shades which are under 100 rupees, and if you have these shades in your vanity, you are gonna rock each and every shade. You don't need to buy any other shades altogether to create any. So the first one which came in my hand is this one is Belgian Brown. It is from LA Teen and the shade number is B43. This is how the packaging looks like, and this one retails for rupees 75 only. And if you will be buying this during the Nykaa sale or any other discount sale, I think that you would be getting it for 55 or 60 around. So grab it. So this is how the shade looks like. The shade name is Belgian Brown. So I have used this. All the lipsticks over here I am showing you guys are used by me only. So I'm gonna quickly do a swatch of these, and I have got many more new lipsticks for you guys for the giveaway. So stay tuned. The giveaway is gonna take time because a lot of things are in process. The giveaway is still gonna take time, but stay tuned. It's gonna be a rocking giveaway. So I'm just gonna quickly swatch this one. So this one is Belgian Brown. It's a beautiful brown shade. Just look at the shade, guys. It's so beautiful. I loved it so much. Now while purchasing this one, I didn't think कि मतलब इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा, and the creamy texture is just so buttery, and I love such lipsticks. So the next lipstick which came in my hand is this one. I use this one mostly. This one is Mauve Date and the shade number is W12. This is how the lipsticks looks like. All these lipsticks are for rupees 75, and if you purchase it during the sale, you will get it even lesser than that. So you would obviously understand that I use this extensively. This is how the shade looks like, and I'm just going to quickly do a swatch. Just look at this beautiful lipstick, guys. Beautiful. मतलब अगर आप लोग लिपस्टिक के शौकीन हो और आप लोग को लिपस्टिक बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आता हो, क्रीमी हो, बहुत ज़्यादा मॉइस्चराइज्ड हो, go for LA Teen lipsticks, guys. Without any waste, without any second thought, go for these lipsticks. I remember the first time when I had purchased an LA Teen lipstick ना, वो बहुत एक छोटा सा आता था, and it had got in between में there was some fruity punch, and outside layer में there was this pink glittery shade. And I was in school that time, probably in class 7 or 8 maybe, and my dad had got it for me, and I was like so fascinated. इतना छोटा सा आता था, and it's so cute. I've still kept it because that's like a memory, because that was my first ever lipstick that was given to me by my dad, and ever since then I have not looked back, and I've got all these beautiful lipstick shades. So the next one is Berry Bestie. This is one of my favorite shades, guys. I use this so much na. Look at the shade, guys. So I'm just quickly gonna do a swatch. Look at this beautiful shade. Just look at it. मतलब कोई भी, अगर आप लोग अपना आई मेकअप भी ना किए हो, अपने कोई भी मेकअप नहीं किए हो, बस आप एक ये लिपस्टिक लगा लो और बस हो गया, और कुछ तो करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ता है। मतलब लिपस्टिक्स एक ऐसा है ना कि आप किसी को गिफ्ट भी करते हो ना, तो वो लोग भी बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं कि लिपस्टिक है यार। लिपस्टिक किसको पसंद नहीं है? लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन डाउन बिलो whether you are a fan of lipsticks or not like me, and which shades are your favorites. Let me know. So this one is, I have kept like various shades. So this one is Nude Fix and the number is N51. This is a brand new color, and when I saw it online I was like LAT में 75 अंदर के प्राइस रेंज में न्यूड शेड्स, इट्स लाइक मतलब कभी कोई इंसान सोच ही नहीं सकता है कि ऐसा कुछ हो भी सकता है। तो मैंने जब ऑर्डर किया उसके बाद जब आया ना, आई हैव नेवर एवर सीन सच अ ब्यूटिफुल texture, beautiful combination in this particular price range. Look at the shade. I'm just quickly gonna do a swatch. Nude है तो I'm just doing 2 to 3 times. Look at this one guys. Look at it. Can you say that it's for rupees 75 only, a nude shade, and it's so good. So next up we have is another lipstick. This one is kind of like wine shade. Now I love wine shades. एक bold red lipstick के तरह भी wine shades भी बहुत ज़्यादा fascinating लगता है आपके lips के ऊपर, and I do recommend people of purchasing at least one white color in your lipstick vanity, and that will just be the oomph of your vanity. So this one is, the shade name is Cherry Wine, and this is in the number called W11. It's beautiful shade. Look at the shade. So I'm just quickly gonna do the swatch where I'm just gonna do the swatch here. Look, एक swatch में ही काम खत्म. Just look at the beautiful shade. It's cherry color. It's wine shade. Look at it. So beautiful guys, so beautiful. Let me know which shade is your favorite, which shade are you planning to purchase. Let me know. I'll be so happy to know. So the next one is Rose Day. I believe that each one of you might have this similar kind of a shade, and this is such a beautiful shade. मतलब कोई भी शादी का occasion हो ना, ये cherry वाला color और ये mauve and everything, it will just rock it. मतलब लोग ना हाई एंड लिपस्टिक्स की तरफ भी जाते हैं. आई नो फॉर द फैक्ट दैट दे आर हाई एंड दे वुड बी गुड ऑब्वियसली, बट दीज लिपस्टिक्स आर ऑल्सो गुड गाइज. दे आर so good. Next, this one is Rose Day, and the shade number is R31. Look at this color. Just quickly gonna do the swatch beside Cherry Wine. Look, one swatch only. I literally just ऐसे swipe किया और ऐसे हो गया. Look at it. Let me know which color was your favorite, which shade you love the most, which shade are you planning on to purchase. Let me know guys. I loved all these shades. It's so good. It's so beautiful ना. 100 रुपीज़ के प्राइस रेंज के अंदर आपको इतना सारा वैरायटी ऑफ कलर्स मिल रहा है, तो आपको और क्या चाहिए. एंड इट्स so good on your lips. It's moisturized. It's so good guys. I am a big fan of lipsticks, and you would know by this time that I love lipsticks a lot, and these are the affordable lipsticks which you can ever find. That was it for today's video guys. I do really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other video request in the affordable parts section, let me know in the comment section down below. I would be eager to keep you guys' request. I would really try to. And let me know which shade was your favorite guys. Look at all the shades. Let me know which shade was your favorite. Which shade are you planning on to purchase, and how you did found out this video. And till then, stay safe and keep loving lipsticks. Keep loving my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.